We've dreamed about this for years, visiting the real Harry Potter studios in London. But is it really magic or just hype? And more importantly, is it actually worth it? This is the Warner Brothers studio tour in London, where the Harry Potter movies were actually filmed. And today we are going to show you what it's really like, so you can decide if it's worth your time and your money. And it starts before you even enter the tour. This giant dragon above you already makes you feel like something big is coming. And trust me, this is just the beginning. Then you're invited to walk in. And suddenly, you're inside the movies. This is the actual Great Hall set. But what surprised us wasn't just how it looks, it's how real everything feels. You don't just see the sets, you see the details that made the world believable. Like these letters, flying exactly like in the movie. And Lupin magical wardrobe, filled with costumes and shoes, all used in filming. And some of these statues, which are much bigger than you'd expect. But the tour is not just about what you see, it's about understanding how it was made. Like these flying creatures from Defense Against the Dark Arts. They are actually physical props. And here they show us how it was done in the movies. And look at these giant spiders. They are way bigger in real life. This is where the magic becomes real. And of course, we had to try the famous butter beer. Some people love it, some people don't, and that's fine. We'll let you decide for yourself. And then we just step into the Gringotts bank, the safest bank in the wizarding world. We can see vaults, we can see the real set, and then this happens. The Gringotts dragon, and yes, it's breathing fire just to our direction. This might be the closest thing to real magic here. And then you walk into Diagon Alley. This is where it really hits. It doesn't feel like a set, it feels like a real place. So, what can you say about the tour? Well, it's not perfect, it can be a bit long, and it can get very crowded. Also, the tickets are not cheap. So the real question is it really worth it? If you are a really Potterhead, this place is just a dream. It's amazing, it's incredible. And even if you're not a big Harry Potter fan, this is still one of the most impressive studios you can visit. For us, it was worth every pound. And what made it really special for us was sharing this moment together. And honestly, that's what made it feel like magic for us. If you are planning a trip to London, this might be worth it. And if you want more real travel experiences, subscribe to SideQ.